Hi, I'm Libby Blanchard. I'm a postdoctoral researcher at the Wilkes Center for Climate Science and Policy at the University of Utah. When a company or individual pollutes greenhouse gases, they can buy carbon credits. Each carbon credit represents 1 ton of carbon dioxide reduced or removed from the atmosphere. Carbon credits are generated from forest conservation initiatives or tree planting projects. Currently, many companies claim that these credits offset, reduce, or net out their own carbon dioxide emissions. Much research suggests, however, that carbon credits greatly overrepresent their climate benefit, or are not real, or both. Also, there's a growing recognition that nature-based credits, which represent carbon only temporarily stored in the biosphere, are incommensurable and therefore should not be used to offset or cancel out fossil fuel CO2 emissions permanently added to the active carbon cycle. This in turn has led to legal and reputational risks for buyers of carbon credits. Lawsuits have been filed against Delta, KLM, and others, alleging that their net zero claims are unsupported. In Europe, the European Parliament recently approved a ban on conventional offsetting claims for goods and services. So what to do? The contribution approach is an idea where companies and others can buy carbon credits or contribute to forest conservation and other nature conservation or restoration projects without claiming that any resulting credits offset their own emissions. In this paper, we propose that the contribution approach be guided by 3 principles. Contribution should not take the place of actions to reduce emissions, which must come first. Contribution approaches should use the best science to quantify any climate benefit of a project or an initiative. And finally, when contribution benefits are quantified, independent scientists and other experts should develop and audit the quantification methods. The contributions approach aims to keep funding flowing for important conservation efforts while avoiding the scientific, legal, reputational, and moral problems associated with using carbon credits as offsets. It also provides an opportunity to experiment with better ways of measuring the impacts of conservation initiatives beyond just carbon storage. I really encourage you to read our study, and thanks.